Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. So we generally tend to forget the topics when we have to actually speak in English. It might happen because of nervousness or we get intimidated, and that is why we tend to go blank. We forget topics and we forget what to speak. Okay, now to counter the situation, I have come up with a very simple solution wherein you have to prepare yourself beforehand. Like when you're going somewhere, you know the situation, what it will be. So you prepare the topic, you prepare 1 or 2 sentences and then go and start speaking. In this way, you will be more confident of speaking in English. You will never go blank, you will never forget anything, and you will definitely be able to deliver it. So that is why I'm going to continue this topic, and I'm going to take up simple situations wherein I'll tell you how you can speak on it or what topics you can take up to speak in that situation, right? So in this way, you'll get a clarity and more insight into how you can speak in English with people anywhere on any topic in English. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Now let's begin with the topic. So to avoid the situation of getting blank, forgetting topics, forgetting ideas, you have to start preparing things beforehand, preparing the topics, preparing a sentence or two beforehand so that you are comfortable, confident in speaking in English. So let's take a situation where you've reached the office and you do meet a lot of colleagues there. You go and sit in your cubicle. So there are people around you. So you go and say hi, hello, greet them, right? So in this situation, what we can speak or how we can talk to people in English in this situation. What all topics we can take up. Let's try this. So the first thing is the greetings part. So we'll say, hi, how are you? And the other person will definitely reply to us saying, yes, I'm good. Thank you. How are you? And then it's your time to reply to this question. So if something surprising or something has happened, you can just describe that. For example, I'll talk about, well, it was not a great morning for me. I was stuck in a traffic jam for about half an hour. It was very unexpected because I left my place on time. But unfortunately, I got stuck in the jam because of some incident which has happened there. It was so hot outside and it became very unbearable for me to stay in the traffic. So this is how you can talk about. Now what else we can talk about here in this situation at this point of time? So we can introduce another topic here, like, so what is the agenda for the meeting? You have your colleagues sitting around you, right? You can just talk to them by saying, there's a meeting at 10 o'clock. Do you know what the agenda is? Okay, so this is another question you can put forward or to speak in English with people. So you can talk about the meeting. What else we can take up here is we can say, so how is your day going to be? What are your plans for the day? Any of these questions you can take up, or else you can talk about the previous day, right? How was your day yesterday? Yeah, or how is the project going? Anything, any such topic you can take up and you can talk for 1 minute to 2 minutes about it. So these are the topics you can take up here. Now next situation, suppose you are going for a coffee break or a lunch break with your colleagues or friends, right? So what topics you can introduce there, what topics you can talk about while having lunch or while having tea, coffee or snacks or just taking a stroll or a walk. So here the very common topic or the most important topic is food. You can talk about your food, whatever you have brought in lunch, right? I've got roti sabzi for lunch today. You can talk about it. This is my favorite combination. I love having this, so simple and delicious, right? You can ask the other person, what did you get for lunch? Oh, this is my favorite vegetable, or this is my favorite food, right? So in this way, you can talk about it and you can just start talking about your favorite food, your favorite snacks, your favorite food or snacks or drink or anything else during that discussion. So this is something which you can take up the topic and can start having a discussion about food here during your lunch break or coffee break or snack break. or while you're walking, or if it is summer or winter. So we can talk about, in summers, I like to have ice cream, or if it is summer outside, you can just say, let's have some ice cream after lunch. So hot. And then you can add, I'll prefer a buttermilk, or I'll prefer a fruit juice, or I'll prefer a cold coffee, whatever. You can just talk about, and you can ask your friends also, what do you prefer to have, right? And then they can also start exploring or telling you what they want to have. They want to have milkshake or mango shake or whatever, So in this way, you can continue this conversation also in this way about food. Now, the third situation I'm going to talk about is while leaving the office. So now I'm talking about office here. You can take up any workplace, like you've reached your school or college, you're having tiffin during your lunch time in school, college, or your office. So it's common. You can take up these kind of topics and you can speak on it. Okay, it is a common general topic for everyone. So here, while leaving your school or office or college, you can start speaking about it. Or if you're anywhere, you can take up these topics. You meet your neighbor, you meet your colleague, you meet your friends, you meet a stranger. You can talk about, you meet any relative. If you're on a phone call with your family, you can talk about on these topics. Okay, so the third situation here is while you're leaving the office. Now you're packing your bag, you're shutting down your computer or your laptop, and then of course there are lots of people also will be doing the same. Okay, now you're leaving from the office and you're saying bye to everybody. You can just simply talk about something like, how was your day? Or how was your meeting? What do you think about the meeting? Right? So when you're going, you're in the lift or you're just getting out from the office, there's some space where you can talk. Okay, so you can just stop there, or you can start walking along with them and you can speak about it. So how was your meeting? So how was your day like? How is your project going? Do you have to work after going home? Any of these topics you can just take up. Or what are your plans for today? What do you do after going home? Right? So these things we can talk about. These are the topics which you can take up and you can speak to people about it. Right? Like if somebody has asked you, so what do you do after going back home? Okay, if somebody has asked me this question, so I'll reply to it saying, well, the first thing I have to do is on the way I have to buy some vegetables and I'll buy some ice cream also for my family so that we can sit together and enjoy it in the evening. Okay, so this is how I answered this question. So in this way, people have their own answers. People will answer in different ways. So this is a small question which you can start, small conversational topic which you can start talking on. Okay, so prepare topics, prepare a sentence or two, and then start talking to people. So preparation is very important, guys. If you will be prepared in this way, you will never face any situation in which you'll go blank or you'll get short of words or ideas. So start practicing in this way at least for 30 days to see the difference. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is, yes, stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this.